This is something you can do at home, quickly and easily clean your interior. Don't expect to get in the crevices and do a thorough detail like we do. We have the tools, equipment, and the experience and knowledge. But this is at least going to give you a little bit of satisfaction between deeper cleanings. Take a damp microfiber, run it under your sink, under the faucet, and wring it out as much as you can. And then you're just going to wipe or kind of dust over the surfaces, the seats, the steering wheel, door panels. The reason we use damp microfiber is because dry won't pick up. It'll just push around. But a damp microfiber will grab that dirt and hold on to it. Fold it into half and then half again, and you can keep flipping to new sides. You can also wipe up the lower parts. If you want to throw in a vac, you can vacuum up your carpet. Vacuum is kind of the least cleanup. I would not worry about vacuuming at home, buying an expensive vac. Bring it to us for a thorough deep cleaning.